Hello, co-influencers. It's Inspired Eggs here, at Inspired Eggs on Twitter and on Telegram. And of course, thanks again for coming to the Coinfluence. It is Tuesday, September the 14th, and there is a lot happening out there, as there is every day, in the crypto and DeFi and blockchain space. But one of the things I wanted just to point out quickly here today was, of course, the news again that MicroStrategy has bought more Bitcoin yet again. So this is another major purchase by MicroStrategy. And I think we all probably remember as well, of course, not too far back, Tesla had made a pretty significant purchase of Bitcoin as well. Now, these are smart people. So there is clearly something going on here, meaning that they look at this as a very valuable asset. And that is critically important for us to be thinking about, okay, what are these smart people thinking about crypto and about Bitcoin? So we've got to remember Bitcoin, unlike some of the decentralized apps and decentralized finance, Bitcoin was really built for one thing, and that was ultimately as a piece of value, as a crypto or as a currency type of alternative, as a way to exchange value, as opposed to some of the new things that we're seeing, whether it be on the Ethereum network, whether it be on Solana, whether it be on any of these things. Bitcoin's primary function is as an asset and a way to exchange value. So clearly, these guys are stockpiling this stuff like it is gold. And there's got to be something behind that. But here's the key thing, right? This isn't, they're not speculating. They're certainly hoping that they can buy on the dip, but they are holding. They're taking these assets, they're buying them up when they see a slight dip in the market. You could have Bitcoin crack 50,000 again here very, very soon. If not today, who knows? But regardless, those ups and downs, they smooth themselves out. We've got to remember, some of the things that we did when we were trading stocks, the same things apply here. If you are in this for the long term and you're not day trading on the ups and downs, trying to predict those variations, then the whole principle of dollar cost averaging still applies, right? Sell a bit, buy a bit, and buy some even on your way up when the price is going up, and buy some on the way down. And likewise, sell as high as you can. That's what this is all about. But dollar cost averaging is something that we can't forget. So anyway, interesting piece for us to keep an eye on. Keep your eye on what's happening with Bitcoin and that today. And now I want to flip you over to some more what's happening here with Coinfluence and some interesting things that are going on. You've heard us talking a little bit about this program, which I want to continue to emphasize is a key part of our strategy going forward. Because one of the things that we've, of course, seen with a lot of early stage blockchain projects is the failure to launch. And the failure to launch is primarily because they don't have those initial funds that are required to really get the project up and off the ground. So we have set aside and will be building and continuously setting aside funding for exactly those types of purposes so that you'll be able, these blockchain projects that are valuable, we'll be able to invest in those early on to help make sure that those are a success. Things like getting the initial alpha development done and that sort of thing. And one other quick point for you today, Telegram contest. Want a big shout out to all of our winners on the invite contest. We're going to be wrapping that one up this week. So Cutoff for that is going to be Thursday. And of course, we'll give our 15,000 CFLU to number one place. We're going to be giving some. Second place is 10,000 CFLU. Third place is 5,000. And then there's a wild card random draw for all the other spots. And you get one ballot for every invite. And that's for another 5,000 CFLU. Plus, there's going to be lots of new things coming out from the marketing department. Feel free as well to reach out to myself or at Adrian Coinfluence as well on Telegram. Adrian is, of course, our CEO, and we are very happy to answer any questions that you might have. So, everyone, have a great Tuesday, September the 14th, and we're going to see you back here tomorrow.